world, and welcome to my channel. This short video is on a side drop down table for the side of a caravan. Well, this can be used in the back door of a wagon or in other situations where you need a table that drops down and it's not very wide. Also has a light in it. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. Well, I put a table on the side of my caravan. I didn't show you the unboxing. All it is a box with a table and a backing panel. So I'll open it up. I haven't opened it up since I put it on there. So we just unlock it and then drop it down. So that's the table. Now, it holds 20 kilos. It has a metal frame and has an insert to go in here. I'll show you that insert in a minute, but I haven't done it. There's a switch here for a light. There's a light in here, strip light. Up under there is a strip light. And I had to put the wires through the caravan. So what I did is I measured a table and then I added 100 mil for a slab of concrete, and then I took it up to that blue line so it matches in. Then I measured between that upright and this, which allows me to put a chair here. The door can open up and then have a chair here. So, and then you can put your coffee on here or a glass of wine. There's room for another chair here. So all I have to do now is do the light and put the back panel in. So when you get the frame and the top and the back panel. So what you do is you mark out, I marked out 2 holes to start with. Temporary put the screws in, drilled all the others, took it down, and then I siliconed it, all the back of it with silicon, before screwing it back in place. Once it was in place, I then applied silicon here. You can still see it. I have to rub it off yet, around the edges here. There's silicon there to seal it up, and down to there, there's a bit more silicon here. But yeah, I can just scrape it off my fingers, the excess. So at night time you'll have a nice table here. So I took the wire through here. I made sure it wasn't going to go behind the shower, and everything fitted in good, and it comes with a fuse holder and a fuse. Now the closest 12 volt I have is up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up here like that, through the cupboard into there, and put the fuse on the positive, and it'll be fused, ready to go. It comes with this panel. So it's got, looks like it's got 3M double-sided tape there. One side is stuck to. I'm assuming it goes into here. Yeah, it'll go into there like that and have a backing white if you want to use it. But at the moment I'm still deciding whether I want to do that or not, but I probably will. Yeah, so that just sticks on. It's pretty self-explanatory, everything. It said when I bought it that it was going to come with 2 cam locks, but it doesn't. It only comes with 1 in the middle here. But yeah, it shouldn't move. And it's a square lock like that. Gonna have to work out what's wrong with it, but it locks there, but I'm gonna work out why it doesn't go fully up. So yeah, I just gotta finish cleaning it up. But yeah, it looks quite neat and tidy on the side of the van there. Now when you operate the lock, you have 2 of these pins that come out, one on either side, and they go into these metal brackets here. So it really shouldn't move once it's locked in place. Now this table could be adapted to go on to a inside panel of the back door of a ute or wagon. It doesn't set out very far. You can see my finger and how far it's sitting out, so I'll give you the specifications in the by a photo of it. So yeah, I just got to clean up all this excess silicone I got everywhere. The excess will just scrape off. And there it is there. This is the light on. It's 5 o'clock, so it's not really dark yet, but you can see the light. There's a bit of water in there. And you just turn it on and off through the switch here, like that. That'll be a good little light, with not too much to kill your eyes, enough to light up your drinks, your coffee, your wine, your beer, or other choice of beverage. I've also worked out when you're locking this, you have to push it in as hard as you can. I normally just use one elbow and then it goes in, and that gives it a nice tight seal, but not a dry one by looking at it. So anyway, it is a table, outside table. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.